Hi, we are Group 5 and we are going to do the computer maintenance practice. We will search and download the TeamView application. In this case, we will download it in the laptops of two of our components. Once the application is downloaded on both devices, we will take computer 1 and from computer 2 we will copy the ID and password that shows computer 1. When we are inside, we will prove that we can control from our device the other device. The second application that we will use will be VNC. First, we will proceed to install the system on both computers. As in the case above, we will have two computers, computer 1 in which it will be controlled and computer 2 who is going to control his partners. We will obtain from computer 1 and in computer 2 we will proceed to put the IP and the password that we have configured on computer 1. To finish the practice, we will use the deep freeze program. Once we have downloaded it in our virtual machine, we will proceed to configure it. The first thing it will ask us once installed is to put a password. Then in status we will leave the values that come by default. To access the options we will have to use the Ctrl plus minus plus Alt plus F6. We will create several folders on our computer and we will disturb the freeze programs and we will put them in very large sizes. To finish, we will give the Windows key and we will restart. Once it restarts, we will see that the folders will be at a normal size and the extra folders will be gone.